Morning students, today we are here with the worksheet number 9 for class 9, that is with compound and mixture. It is also taken from your second chapter, Is Matter Around Us Pure? I think you are now well aware about Jigyasa and Gyan. Gyan asks, is Didi, we have learnt about the elements, but what are the compounds? Now Jigyasa Didi called Gyan and said, Gyan, compounds are those pure substances which are formed when two or more elements combine by a chemical process with another in a fixed proportion. Student, focus on this line that the two elements or more than two are combined in a fixed proportion and by a chemical process. These are known as compounds. For example, salt, glucose, water. But Gyan is little bit confused na. He again asked his Didi, please explain me fully how compounds are joined in fixed proportion. Then Jigyasa explained, Gyan, sit here and listen. Water is made up of hydrogen and oxygen, and both the gases are combined in a fixed ratio, definite proportion, and if their ratio proportion get disturbed, then the water formation gets stopped. It means for the compound, two or more elements are in fixed proportion and also combined by chemical reaction. But what about the mixtures, Didi? Please clear me. Okay, now there is a table given, students. Difference between compound and mixture. We have known by compound, familiar with the compound from the first paragraph. Let us take a difference. First difference, students, compounds by form chemical process and mixture, there no chemical process involved. Compounds are pure in nature but mixtures are impure. Compounds have a definite proportion but mixture, they are in any proportion. Properties of compound are different from the constituent elements. For example, the properties of water different from the hydrogen and oxygen. But property of mixture same as its component. Compound have definite proportion, so they need a definite temperature to change its state, but mixture, they don't need definite temperature, they convert in any state at any temperature. Its constituent can be separated only by chemical reaction like electrolysis. Means water के components hydrogen and oxygen. If we want to segregate the components, then we need a chemical process like electrolysis of water. But in a mixture, only physical methods like filtration, they can be used. Examples are here. Compounds like water, salt, copper sulfate, and mixture like air, soil and milk. I think this difference is clear to you. Now there are some questions for you. First, explain the compound and mixture with suitable example. I think this question is very easy for all of you. Second, differentiate between compound and mixture. From this table, you can easily differentiate between compound and mixture. And the last question is, classify the following into compound and mixture. First is water, that is compound. Second is soil, that is mixture. Sugar, mixture. Salt, that is a compound. Sugar solution, that is a mixture. Air, it is a mixture of gases. Milk, it is a mixture with proteins and fats. Carbon dioxide, it is a compound with perfect proportion of carbon and oxygen. Hydrochloric acid is also a compound formed by the hydrogen and chlorine. And brick is a mixture of sand, gravel, silt, clay, mud. So I think this worksheet is clear to you. You are now familiar with the compounds and the difference between compound and mixtures. So student, if you like this worksheet, then please like my channel and share this channel with your friends also, and Also subscribe my channel Learning Light if till then you can't subscribe to get the fresh updates of worksheet solutions and scientific aspects. Thank you.